श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। मीनाक्षीं मधुरेश्वरीं त्रिनयनां श्रीसुन्दरेशः प्रियां चन्द्रार्कायुतभासुरां शशिमुखीं शृङ्गारवेषान्वितां श्रीपद्माक्षसहोदरीं वररुचां कल्लोलपूर्णेक्षणां मीनाक्षीं प्रणतोऽस्मि सन्ततमहं कारुण्यवारां निधिम्। श्रीगुरवे नमः। महाश्रीगणपतये नमः। श्री मीनाक्षी सुंदरेश्वराभ्यां नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय। Greetings everybody. I am Pandit Sharma, the chief priest, Hindu Temple of Georgia. This is the first Hindu temple in the entire Hindu lineage to have the different images of Lord Shiva. The two, not one or two, but it is 108 images. According to Atharva Veda, each and every human being born in the world has some kind of problems. All those problems can be healed only spiritually, not only with the medicines. According to that Atharva Veda, a lot of tantras are there. Out of them, two tantras are very famous. One is Shivarudra Tantra and other is Vishnumalya Tantra. Our Swamiji Sri Selvam Siddhar is a Atharva Vedic scholar.
शिवाय शिवाय नमः।
ओम नमः 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 शिवाय शिवाय नमः।
पद्मासनस्तां ध्यायेत् श्रियं त्रैलोक्यमातरं गौरवर्णां स्वरूपां च सर्वालङ्कारभूषितां रौप्यपद्म व्यग्रकरां वरदां दक्षिणे